Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EVgo past data for accounting in QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your EVgo past data for accounting in QuickBooks, start by logging into your navigate to the section where your transaction history is displayed. Select the time frame for the transactions you wish to back up. Ensure that you choose the correct date range that covers all relevant data. Look for the option to export or download your transaction history. Typically, this will be in a CSV or Excel format, which is suitable for QuickBooks. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. Open QuickBooks and find the section for importing bank transactions. Select the option to import data from a file. Choose the file type that matches the format of your downloaded EVgo data. Follow the prompts to upload your file into QuickBooks. During the import, QuickBooks may ask you to map the fields from your EVgo file to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Ensure that the mapping of categories and amounts is accurate. Once you've reviewed the mappings, confirm the import. After the import process is complete, verify that your EVgo transactions appear correctly in QuickBooks. Check that all amounts match and no transactions are missing. If everything looks good, finalize the import process. Save your work in QuickBooks to ensure all data is backed up properly. It is also recommended to create a backup of your QuickBooks company file. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounting records. By following these steps, your EVgo past data will be successfully backed up in QuickBooks for easy accounting management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.